UMP word family replacing the initial sound. We're going to place a B in front of that. Bump. We will be replacing the B with a D. Dump. We will be replacing the D with a J. Jump. We will be replacing the J with an L. Lump. We will be replacing the L with a P. Pump. We will be replacing the P with an S. Sump. We will be replacing the S with the CH. Chump. We will be replacing the CH with the CL. Clump. We will be replacing the CL with the GR. Grump. We will be replacing the GR with the PL. Plump. We will be replacing the PL with an SL. Slump. We will be replacing the SL with an ST. Stump. We will be replacing the ST with the TH. Thump. We will be replacing the TH with the TR. Trump.